Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on a Ryu Ranger from Street Fighter crossover. As you know, we did Chun-Li a while back. I did a Chun-Li, but I never finished the video. Anyway, we'll get there. It's half done. I did do one. You might have saw this spin around. This is a weird model. I'm honestly not sure where it came from. It's rather thin. So I don't know what we're going to do. I did get a little hole in the side here. Super easy fix, just some boxy sculpt on the inside. We'll fill it. You might not even need to do that, not sure. Cool looking helmet, so excited to do this. These are the only two Street Fighter helmets I really care about doing. There's like a cool fan concept for Ken out there that's really cool. Much cooler than the action figure one we actually got. So probably not gonna do the action figure one ever. But get this hole filled and get some putty on it, and we will get sanding. Really hard to figure out where to mask and everything. Like, this isn't like based on like a real helmet, so slightly different from like the game stuff and like an Anarchy helmet. Like, so this is the best I can come up with. We're gonna get red on it, then gold, and silver right now. Model is absolute garbage. It's just not fun to work with. The details are soft, it's thin, but I think we got it working and looking pretty good. All things considered, I think it looks pretty mean. We're gonna get the visor elastic and magnets, and also we're gonna drill a hole. I'm gonna do from the inside because I think it won't tear up the outside as much. Drill a hole right here, and then I have some red fabric coming. We're going to make the bandana. I'm gonna knot on the inside, pull it through, and then just glue it, and it should be fine, hopefully. But we'll do that, and then we'll get to the spinner round. Ryu Ranger finished. I did just do the headband just a little bit ago. I finally got some red fabric in. It's not the best. I wanted to do something different, but it just wasn't working. I was trying to like double it up and sew it together, and it kept looking terrible. So I figured we just do this, see how it goes. I just tied a knot inside and glued it a little bit. And I think it works. If the person who this is going to, if they don't really care for it, totally understandable. It's just a little bit of super glue in there. They can just pull it up and put their own thing in there. I think the hole turned out nice and clean and all that. Really cool helmet. Again, this model is hot garbage. Hot garbage. I'm surprised we got it looking this decent. I think we did pretty okay, all things considered. I'm a huge fighting game fan. Like, I love Street Fighter. I'm about to go play some Mortal Kombat 1 as soon as I'm done with this. Literally just got it today. You know, Marvel vs. Capcom, Darkstalkers, King of Fighters, all kinds of stuff. I played a lot over the years, DOA, and it's really cool having a mashup between two things I really love. I mean, there is that the Street Fighter characters in the Power Ranger fighting game, but, you know, I get it. It's just cool seeing them in the same universe, so to speak. So it's really cool. I love these designs. This and Chun-Li are honestly top tier designs. I do have a Chun-Li almost done, so that will be coming. I made one for a customer a long time ago. It kind of killed my desire to finish mine, but I will get it done. This one's going to a new home, so I'm not even keeping this one. Maybe if I ever get around finding a better file, maybe we'll revisit it, see what we can do. If not, at least one for the shelf. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosmos and Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. Down in the description, find a link to my link tree. That has a link to the merch store. If you're interested in t-shirts, mugs, stickers, all kinds of stuff. The Discord, come hang out. We chill in there all week. If you want to see some behind the scenes stuff that other people are working on that are also in the community, make sure you check that out. $1 tier on the Patreon, make sure you check that out. We've got community builds over there, exclusive videos, early videos, all kinds of stuff just for the $1 tier. There's higher tiers as well if you're interested in the community build helmet files and all that, but make sure you check it out. $1 gets you a ton of power over there, so come make my life miserable. But as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.